Hey everyone, MyMiniTrailer here, and today we're announcing our brand new trailer model. This is our off-road trailer. I'm going to go through all the options on this, the specifications on the axle type, what the suspension's like, everything that you need to know. But this will be our brand new model that we're announcing this year. The pricing for it is still to be determined, but if you would like to know, send us an email and we'll definitely respond and let you know what it's like and what kind of options you can get on it. Let's give you guys a quick walk around of it. So now let me go through what is on here. So the axle on this is a Timbren heavy duty axle-less suspension with a 4-inch lift and a wide tire configuration. So this is what we mean by a wide tire configuration right here. This is, as it is, it's a large tire. I mean, this is bigger than a stock Jeep Wrangler tire, and it's a big tire. You know, it's definitely bigger than your average sedan or SUV tire. So we could even put a bigger tire than this on there. This one right now is a 265/75/16 tire. This is on a heavy duty frame, and then let me show you what it means to be axle-less. So if we go under here, there's no axle. So you have basically all the ground clearance that you need to go off-roading, go wherever you want. And you could even get a bigger tire configuration so you have even more off-road clearance, which is just awesome. The capabilities of it is amazing. So going through the options on this trailer, it's got 2 doors, kitchenette in the back, roof rack up top, super simple interior. Customer did not want carpet or vinyl, so we just have plain wood floor. There's a kitchen in the back, roof rack supports up there. So this is the new off-road model. This is available to order right now. As soon as this video goes up, basically, if you want to order, you know, send us an email. Within a week and a half, we're gonna have this model be on our website, and that's when you can order it straight through the website. You don't have to call us to order it. You don't have to email us to order it. And you could just select the trailer that you want. You could select the options that you want. If you don't want to buy it, you could submit it as a quote, and we'll call you, answer any questions that you have, and talk to you about the trailer. If you do want to order, you could definitely order from the website as well. So as always, guys, if you have any questions, you could send us an email at info@myminitrailer.com. You could also check out our website, www.myminitrailer.com. We are located in Fairfield, New Jersey. That's where our workshop is, and that's where our showroom is. If you guys want to come by, see our trailers in our showroom, give us a call or send us an email, just letting us know that you're going to be stopping by, and we'll be happy to show you the different options on our trailers, and you know, go through the color options and any other questions that you have as well. You could also reach us by calling 862-702-8612. So this is it, brand new off-road trailer. I'll see you guys in the next video. We're going to be doing a bunch of more videos soon, so if you're not subscribed to our channel already, definitely subscribe below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.